Hello, in this video I will be explaining Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm. Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm is one of the asymmetric algorithm used for sharing the key. So here the two parties will exchange their public key and they can generate a common secret key. The procedure adopted in the Diffie-Hellman key exchange is as follows. Say suppose Alice and Bob want to exchange the secret key. So if they go with the Diffie-Hellman approach, first they will agree with a common prime number, let us assume q, and a primitive root of a prime number alpha. So they need to fix the q and the alpha. And always the alpha should be less than q and it should be primitive root of q. User A, or we can call it as Alice, will generate a private key. Let I denote it as XA, and XA will be less than Q, and calculate the public key YA, which is equal to alpha to the power of XA mod Q. The same way, user B or Bob will generate his private key xb, which is a random integer. Xp will be always less than q, and the Bob will generate his public key yb, and the formula used for the public key is yb equal to alpha to the power of xb mod q. Once they generate the public key and private key, Alice will share its public key with Bob, and Bob will share his public key with Alice. After exchanging the public key, both the parties can generate the secret key. The formula will be so yb to the power of xa mod q, and other side ya to the power of xb mod q. And very important, here the k generated by user A is same as the k generated by user B. Let us take one example for this. Say both the parties, Alice and Bob, agree with the prime number q as 353, and the alpha, which is 3, that is primitive root of the q 353. And let's assume A chooses the prime number, sorry, integer or its private key as 97, and B chooses its private key as 233. A will compute its public key by using the formula alpha to the power of xa mod q. So we will get 40, and the yb, that is B, the user B or Bob will calculate his public key yb equal to alpha to the power of xb mod q, so which is 248. Next, after calculating the public keys, Alice will share her public key with Bob, that is 40, and Bob will share his public key with Alice, which is 248. Now both the parties can generate the session key. Formula is whatever they have received to the power of their private key mod 353. So if we calculate this, so we'll get the k as 160. So if you observe, both the parties have generated the key, the k, and which is common. In this way, Diffie-Hellman can be used. Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm can be used for exchanging the shared key or the secret key between the two users using the public key cryptographic method. Thank you.